ZL1 baby. I like it. Personality to that license plate. So anyway, so what's going on? I mean, I didn't really get to ask you the other day.
Guys,
they told me
I can't.
Did you hear that?
Hello everyone, my name is Autumn, for those of you that don't know me, and today I'm going to be taking out my stock ZL1 steering wheel and installing this brand new custom carbon fiber steering wheel from Carbon Add-ons, and I'm going to show you guys how I do it. So let's get started. Okay, so the first thing that I'm going to do is disconnect the battery so that we don't have any issues with the airbag going off or anything like that. So have this open, and then the battery is in this compartment on the side, so we're going to do that. To disconnect the battery, we're going to use a ratchet with a 10mm socket. Okay, so now I'm gonna start taking off the stock steering wheel, and to do that I'm gonna show you guys the two holes on the sides, and that's how you're gonna push the airbag out. So on the steering wheel there are gonna be two holes, and there's gonna be one, let me see if I can get a good, right here, and then on the other side one right here. And right now I have a torque screwdriver on the one side. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna take two tools, whatever you want to use, flathead. I am gonna be using this custom made. This is a pick originally, but the end is shaved off. So I'm going to be using this on this side and then that on this side, and what you're going to do is push them in and then pop this up. So I'm going to show you guys that right now. Okay guys, so like I said, I'm going to be using this and I'm going to push it in on this side, and then you're going to pop this up. Holes on the side, what I use is this torque screwdriver and this pick that was shaved off on the end. So a custom tool. So what you do is just push them in like I said, and then you'll feel a resistance with this spring, and then just push in and then you pull this out. So this is what it should look like. Oh, whoa, why did it zoom in on me like that? Okay, so now I'm looking for a flashlight so that I can get a visual of the inside of the clips and undo those. But of course I can't find a flashlight with so many here. They're all missing or stolen. So, Dad, where's the flashlight at? Okay, you had one in your pocket. Package secured. Okay. So to show you guys, oh my gosh, I can't use one hand to turn this on. Okay. So this is the inside, and I don't know if you guys can see, but there's this one clip over there that's red. So that one's red. You need to take that one off, and then there is these two. It's like yellow and purple and yellow and pink, and you're gonna undo those and then take this out. Okay guys, so to disconnect these clips, I'm using picks. So I'm gonna do the red one first. Okay, so now I've released the red. So let me show you guys what that looks like. So this is the one that I took out first because it was the easiest, and then helps you get this out to do the other 2 clips. So let me show you guys how to do those. So if you look in here, there are the yellow clips, and what you're gonna do is pull the tabs on each side and then take them out. So I'm gonna do that right now. So everyone says that if you have nails done and you're a girl, you can't work on cars. But because I have nails, I get to use them to pull out the tabs, so it makes it easier. So. Whoa. So now that you've released those, and then it fully comes out. So here is the airbag. And I use my nails for it, so that's cool. And here is the picks that I use to get the clips out. So now what we're gonna do is pull this thing off and get the new one on. So these are the clips, and on the sides you'll see these tabs, and I use my nails to do that. So there's that, and then that, and here is the airbag. Okay, so now that we have the airbag out, I am gonna get this steering wheel off, and I'm gonna do that by getting this bolt out. Alright guys, so I just wanted to quickly go over the bolt in the steering wheel. So I brought my dad in to do that. He is a mechanic here at our shop. I didn't want to do it myself because I didn't want to risk stripping the bolt or doing anything like that. So I wanted to bring a pro in, and it's always okay to ask for help. So yeah, I just didn't want to ruin it or mess up. And it was really hard to do. He used an impact with a T50 Torx. So there's that, and now what I'm gonna do is undo these clips, and then I'll be able to pop the steering wheel off. Alrighty, so now that I have talked about all that, so what I'm gonna do is, if you guys see these clips in here with all the wires connected, so I am going to undo those, and then after that I'll be able to just pull the steering wheel right off, and then I'll install the new one. Okay guys, so now that we got the clips out, what I'm doing is just pulling the steering wheel off and getting the wires through.
Is there a title on that thing? No, right? No title. He thinks it's worth $1 million, so we can't sell it.
Well, you know.
And there we are.
You know how it is.
I know.
So there is the stock steering wheel.
He can't sit there forever. I told him he's got till Monday to get out of here.
Okay guys, so now that we got the stock steering wheel off, I'm going to start putting on the new steering wheel. So this is a custom carbon fiber steering wheel from Carbon Add-ons, and you guys can use my discount code ZL1, babe. Okay, so what I'm doing is just putting everything through the same exact way that I took it out. Alright guys, so now I am going to put the bolt back in and get that all tightened. so now that we have gotten that bolt in there and tightened and good to go, I'm gonna start by... Alright guys, so now that I have gotten the bolt back in there, tightened and all good to go, I am gonna start putting these connectors back in, and then that way I can put on the airbag. So let me show you guys what I'm talking about. So we just need to plug this one into there, and then this one into here. So I'm gonna do that right now. So I just clipped this one back in, and then there's a little slot back here that you're going to push it into. Okay guys, so I clipped this clip back in, and then there's this little slot, and so what you're going to do is wedge it in there. You want to push these wires under here and just push it in. Push it in. There you go. Should look like that. Okay, so this is pretty much common sense. Pink goes to pink and purple goes to purple. And you want to just pop them in until they click. Okay, so now that I have those two, I'm going to do this red one over here. Okay, so now I have everything connected for the airbag, so we're going to pop it in. Alrighty, so all I did is just push in the airbag until it clicks, and then you're good to go. Gosh, you guys, this is so pretty. Oh, it's so pretty! You guys, I am so freaking hyped right now. I just finished the steering wheel, just popped the airbag in. What you want to do is just push it in until it clicks. You'll hear the clicks, and then you're good to go. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed watching this, and I'm going to show you a little bit of the steering wheel. So as you guys can see, I did a custom carbon. So there's the carbon on the top, carbon on the bottom, and then for the button trim pieces, and then the center as well, which I already had. And then I did red stitching to match the interior of my car everywhere. And then Alcantara for the hand grips, carbon fiber for the paddle shifters. And yeah, that's about it. Oh, also, I inlaid the ZL1 emblem because I really wanted that, and Carbon Add-ons is like one of the only places that I could get to do it for me, so that's really cool. And yeah. Okay guys, so I just wanted to note, because I know I'm going to be getting a lot of questions about this, of why I did red stitching for the steering wheel. So if you guys see, I have the red stitching, and then the red racing stripe. So the reason I did red instead of purple is because I have red stitching in my entire car, and I know purple would be really cool, match the whole car and everything, but I just feel like it wouldn't match the interior well, and I just don't want it to look weird. So that's the reasoning for that. So as you guys can see, I have red stitching here, everywhere. It's like literally everywhere in the car, and the only way for purple to make sense is to switch out the stitching for my entire car to be purple, and that's just very expensive. So there's that. I'm really happy with it. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you guys have any questions at all, feel free to ask me, and yeah.